You wake up each morning with a goal, something that sets your soul on fire. The path is never smooth, and the world may doubt you, but your determination never wavers. You push through exhaustion, rejection, and failure, because you know that victory isn't given, it's earned. Each hurdle becomes a stepping stone, not an obstacle. And when the world says, "You can't," you say, "Watch me." Because deep down, you know that nothing is more powerful than a heart set on a dream. Keep going. Your determination will transform the impossible into your reality.
Have you seen this new niche that is blowing up right now? This is a channel in this niche. With just 53 videos, they have 100,000 subscribers. This is another channel in this niche. With 20 videos, they have 147,000 subscribers. So this niche uses stick figures in order to attract audience. So how do you do this? I'll show you how to do this in 3 simple steps by using 3 AI tools. You will be using Chatgpt, be using Elevenlabs, I will be using Canva for our editing. Alright, let's get right into it.
You wake up each morning with a goal, something that sets your soul on fire. The path is never smooth, and the world may doubt you.